As an architect, you often want a bigger sliding opening. As a designer, you want the best insulation performance. De Koning brings you the Legend sliding system, a unique shift and slide system. When the handle is rotated upward, the sash is released from the pocket and glides smoothly onto the rails. Its specially designed rollers can slide even a 200-kilogram shutter without effort. Locking the shutter is achieved by rotating the shutter downwards. The shutter shifts horizontally into the pocket and seals itself on all four sides, offering best-in-class insulation values. The sash locking occurs with a special guide locking system water and the roller car set moving on different axes. The 149mm wide frame and 79mm sash unique rail system and accessory group makes it distinct from its partners. The Legend Slide, maximum performance.